Fiat 500 tyres. I've got some really good news for Fiat 500 owners because Pirelli are now making the 12512 original equipment Cinturato CN54 for the Fiat 500. There it is. That was until recently made by a budget manufacturer Formula, but actually now this is now a genuine Pirelli tyre again. Original equipment for the Fiat 500. What could be better? There are other options. There are some budget options as well, but we don't really get involved in that. If you want the best tyre for your car to make it handle at its best and look correct, then, you know, obviously under those circumstances, contact Longstone Tyres. If you just want something cheap that's going to keep your rims off the road, shop elsewhere. So the other options we have is the Michelin X. So Michelin X is the first radial tyre produced. It was patented in 1946. It came out involved with cars like the Tractor Avant predominantly as the first radial tyre, and then radial tyre technology moved into more commonplace and was used by all sorts of different car manufacturers, one of which, of course, being Fiat. So in 1952, Pirelli invented the Cinturato tyre, and then by 1957 they were making this Cinturato for the Fiat 500 in size 12512. We do also have the Michelin X 12512 as another genuine period thing. Both excellent quality tyres because, you know, Michelin and Pirelli are two of the world's best tyre manufacturers, so there's a really good pair of choices for your Fiat 500. The other project we're working on at the moment, which will be with you soon and won't be, you know, you'll be able to buy it off our website, and it can be the original Pirelli Cinturato tyre with a white wall built into the sidewall. So that's a 12512 Pirelli Cinturato with a white wall. So, you know, you'll have the full option of top quality tyres for your Fiat 500 to make it drive the way it should do and at the same time look correct as well. So Fiat 500 tyres, we would say Pirelli Cinturato. We'll have a white wall option available. Also Michelin X is an excellent option for the Fiat 500. Any more information, 01302 71123 or contact longstone.com.